Alrighty guys, today I've got these sway bar links that I've got to put on this Mazda right here. So I'm here at this office building, just gonna go knock this out real quick. Should be a pretty easy job, so we'll see how it goes. So obviously I'd prefer, at least here, not to take out the ramps and my whole cart and everything, so I'm just gonna grab what I need and make it happen. Okay, 2 jack stands, the jack. All right, a 21mm socket. And this stuff I should be good to start at least. Let me get the wheel lock key off, or the wheel lock. Try not to hit the other cars with my jack handle, that would be bad. Okay, let me lift up the other side now. And this truck moved out of the way for me. That was real nice of them. Looks like he's gonna move too. Now I'll have all the space in the world. Maybe everyone's just seeing me work on this car and they're like, I gotta get my car out of there before this guy tears up my stuff. Okay, now the issue with these links, so I checked it out before, it's making a bad noise. It's actually the other side, I believe, but the link is real loose. So I'm gonna change both of them in the front. They also have some control arms that have bushings that are really broken. Part of the noise I'm hearing is from that too, but I just want to do the sway bar links and see how much of the noise goes away. So the nuts, to me, they look like 14mm. Dark in here. Let's see, take this, I'll take this, turn that off. Oh, I should have brought my 1/2" socket. Let me go get that. Oh man, we're gonna play a game of how many trips can I take to the ambulance. Okay. This one off. Might get lucky on this one. Sometimes the whole stud spins and then you've got to take a hex socket and put it in there. But this one came out easy enough. Let me match it up to my new part and just make sure that it's right. It better be right, because that would really stink. Yes, same length, looks right. I don't like when these are all greasy. I'm just gonna clean it a little bit. Okay, the whole stud's gonna turn, so I'm gonna tighten it using a different method. So I gotta make one more trip to the ambulance. All right, let's see, what size? I'm gonna say 5. Yes. Now I should be able to tighten it a little more. Okay. Should be good on this side. We'll move all this to the other side and we'll do the same thing over there. And now I've got extra nuts for my collection. These 14mm nuts always come in handy. Not as much as a 10mm nut, but still. Sometimes if the nut kind of gets all the way to the end and then the whole stud starts spinning, sometimes you can do like what I did, grab your hand, put your hand around the back and kind of wedge the stud up against the strut, and then it'll be able to pull the rest of the way out. A lot of times that works. Well, that I was able to just grab with my fingers, but more spare nuts. Should this concern me that this one looks different than the other one? Probably not. The package was sealed, but a lot of times sway bar links, tie rods, you'll go to the store, it's the same brand, and then you'll pull the part out of the box and it'll look just a little different. It's crazy. And of course, this one's not a 5, it's a 4. Either that or it's standard. Yep, standard. Dang it. Well, let me see if it'll tighten by hand. If not, then I'll go see if I have my standard sizes with me. Yeah, I think this one I'll be able to tighten fine without holding the stud. All right, let me get the wheels back on and drive this thing and clean up and we'll be done. All right, now on the wheel locks, I'm not gonna use the impact, because you use the impact on the wheel lock, you will shear the wheel lock key. So I'll tighten those when I get the car on the ground. All right, just got to get all this put away and test drive it, and we'll be good to go. I always put my spare nuts in a little collection, because you never know. Never know when you'll need a nut or bolt. All right, let me go drive this thing and see if the noise is any better. Like I said, this thing had a kind of a bad noise too from the control arms. All right, well, that's pretty much it. Still hear a little bit of a noise. It's better than it was, but like I said, they had multiple things going on and all they wanted to do right now was the links. Kind of an easy one, but thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.